Hello viewers, good afternoon everyone. This is Madham Mohan standing before you and you are watching my channel Madham Mohan English Classes. So I Madham Mohan welcoming you all in my channel, and today's topic of my video is passive voice of present continuous tense. Dear viewers, as we know that the passive voice chapter is very much important for everyone. Students who are preparing for competitive exams or those who are pursuing academic syllabus, for both chapter voice is important. So let's learn the rules of passive voice, and I am going to start the video. The topic is passive voice of present continuous tense. Dear viewers, first of all, let me know the structure of present continuous tense. The structure is subject plus is mr plus v4. That means ving. V4, it is also called V4, the continuous form of the verb, and object oblique complement. This structure belongs to the present continuous tense in the active form. Now I should change into passive voice, and in the passive voice the structure is written as follows: object plus is mr plus being. This word is very important, so mind it. Being plus v3 plus other words. Structure is clear. In the passive voice of present continuous tense, subject plus is mr plus v4 plus object. This is the active form. When it is changed into passive form, object comes first. It is followed by is mr plus being. So let's focus on this word. Being plus v3 plus other words. Dear viewers, let's understand with the example. I am putting an example on the board. An example is I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple, right? Here the process of eating is in progress. In this sentence, look at I is a subject, am auxiliary verb, eating v4, and an apple, it's an object. Is it clear? Now let us change into passive voice. Now the sentence is changed into passive voice. Object comes first, then an apple is an object here. An apple, right? Thereafter, since it is a singular noun, so an apple is. As I told you earlier that in the passive voice of present continuous tense, being is used. The word being is very much important in the passive form, so let us use being here. Being. And apple is being. Now the third form of the eat, verb eat, ate, eaten. Eaten. And apple is being eaten, and I is changed into me in the objective form. And apple is being eaten by me. I am eating an apple. This was in the active form, and I have changed it, and apple is being eaten by me. Is it clear? Dear guys, in the yesterday's video, I already taught you what is voice, right? Voice is the form of verb in which it is described, it is denoted, it expresses whether the subject acts or it is acted upon. So here it is acted upon. Action is performed, action is done by the subject, and apple is being eaten by me. Now let's have another example. I want to have one more example on this topic. They are playing football. They are playing football, right? Action is going on. Work is in progress. They are playing football. They, it's a subject. Playing before football object, and are that's helping verb, auxiliary verb. Now let me change into passive voice. Object comes first, that's football. Since it is singular, football is. The word is used here being. Football is being. Played change into third form, played by them. Football is played by them. Is it clear, viewers? Football is played by them. Okay. Dear viewers, we can change into different forms also. The form is, suppose this sentence is an affirmative one, and if I have to change into negative form, football isn't. It means football is not. Is not is written, isn't being played, and is not in short form, it is written isn't. Okay. Now let us change into interrogative form. Is football. Is football being played? Is football being played? This is an interrogative sentence. Is football being played? Hello, my dear friend. Is football being played today? Yes, it is being played. Hello, can you tell me, Mr. Sharma, where is football being played today? Well, football is being played at Moinul Haq Stadium in Patna. Okay, nice. So this is the example of interrogative sentence. Okay. Now I would like to teach you how a WH question is changed into passive voice. WH is also very important, so we should not miss it. We should learn without delay. And WH question. So first of all, let me write an example of WH question. And WH question is, who is calling you? Who is calling you? This is a WH question. How is it so? Because the sentence is started with WH word, that is who. Who is a WH word used for persons. Okay. Now let us change into passive voice. Now the passive voice of this sentence will be, first of all, put the WH word. Ismar plus object being plus B3 plus other words. Now we can easily change into passive voice. WH word. Let us write WH word. Who is by whom are you being called? This is another option. We can change by this way also, but by using who also. Okay. By whom are you being called? This is the first option because WH word who is changed into by whom. Who is changed into by whom? If we don't want to change into by whom, no issue. Who is written as it is who. Who are you being called by? These two sentences are based on this structure, following this structure ever mentioned here. WH word, alright. Since the object is you, that's why R is used here. Being called plus by. Who are you being called by? Who are you being called by? You are being called by your pa. It means your papa, your father is calling you. Is it clear? Or you can say, by whom are you being called? Yes, you are being called by your father. So you should go immediately. So this is the WH form of the sentence. One more sentence I would like to teach you. And simplicity is the real beauty of a language. So let's learn in a very simple way. And the simple way is, what is he reading? What is he reading? Clear? This is a WH question? Yes, of course. Why? Because WH word is used here. Now let me change into basic voice. What is being read by? He changed into him. What is being read by him? What is being read by him? A novel is being read by him. An English newspaper is being read by him. Is it clear? So by this way we can change into basic voice. One more example. Let's practice more and more examples. By this way you can have excellency in the language. If you really want to beautify your language, you should practice regularly. Practice will make you excellent in writing and speaking. So I want to put one more example here. Why are they abusing you? Sentence is very easy. Why are they abusing you? Alright, sentence is WH. Sit down please. Why are they abusing you? And now let me change into passive voice. Why are you being abused by them? Why are you being abused by them? Why are you being abused by them? The sentence was in active WH question. It was, why are they abusing you? Okay? I have changed into passive. Why are you being abused by them? According to the rule, according to the structure of passive voice. WH word comes at first. Thereafter auxiliary verb, object plus being plus B3 plus other words. I hope by this way we have learned the passive voice of present continuous tense, how to change the sentences of present continuous into passive voice. In the next video we shall learn the passive voice of present perfect. Thank you for watching and listening to me. Please watch this video completely. Practice more and more. Like and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to share this video with others. That's all. Bye-bye. Take care.